It's time to make it, just give it a try. 'Cause you can make it like the old fat guy.
Welcome to this episode of You Can Make It with David Farrell. Today, the old fat guy is going to make for you a delicious appetizer, cream cheese shrimp rolls. The beautiful part of this appetizer is not just that they're easy to make, but it's that you can make them in advance. You can make them the day before you want to serve them for your company, and that means you can have more time to rest when the company comes over and to enjoy your company. So let's get right into making this very easy appetizer dish. We're going to start off with 240 grams or 8 ounces by weight of cooked shrimp. Just go to your store and buy some cooked shrimp or buy some raw ones and cook them, but it's important that they are shelled and deveined and just ready to eat. And by the way, do you know where the easiest and best place to buy shrimp is? It's a prawn shop. Don't kill me. just a little joke there, folks. So what we're going to do is cut these up. Now you want to be careful when you're chopping them, because what you're trying to do is not mince them. You still want them chunky, but you don't want the whole shrimp or your rolls won't come out in good shape. So we're just going to chop these into a coarse chop of shrimp so they're kind of chunky. And it's a little coarse still. We still got some big ones in there, so we'll just give it one more run through with the knife. We're getting there now. Just a nice coarse chop. That's about perfect. Look for any really big ones and cut them in half, but that's pretty good. So once you've got the shrimp chopped up, we're going to make the cream sauce that we're going to put it in. And I just have my stand mixer here. Now you can do this in a bowl with a large fork by hand. It just takes some muscle power. The stand mixer makes it easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 block of cream cheese. Now this is a cup, 250 milliliters, or 1 cup of cream cheese, but if you just buy the block and throw it in, it'll be fine. And then we're going to add some seafood sauce. Now seafood sauce is also known as cocktail sauce. It's a mixture of chili sauce and horseradish and lemon. You can just go to the store and look for it. I'm going to add 50 milliliters or 1/4 cup to the cream cheese. Now, if you like shrimp cocktail, you'll love this dish because all shrimp cocktail is shrimp and cocktail sauce, and that's what we're using. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we're going to put the stand mixer on low and just start to cream that up. And speed it up to a little bit higher and beat until the cocktail sauce is well mixed with the cheese, which should just take a little under a minute. There we are. It looks nice and pink now, but you want to scrape everything down to make sure you get a good mix. So just scrape the batter off of the beater and scrape up from the bottom of the bowl. You'll see there's usually a bit of white cheese that's left in there that's not mixed in. That's why we're scraping it. Here we go. So now we scrape the bowl. We're going to add the shrimp to the cream cheese. Oh, I just see a little bit of scraping. I didn't do too well there. Sorry about that. There we go. And we'll add the shrimp in. And we just want to stir this on low until the shrimp's well mixed with the cheese. That's all it takes. Now, we're going to clean up my workstation here, and I'll show you how we put the cream cheese shrimp rolls together in just a second. So I cleaned up my work area, and what I have here is two 10-inch flour tortillas. Now you can use any kind of flour tortilla you want. They come in all kinds of different colors. They got yellow ones with some cornmeal in them. They've got green ones with spinach in them. Whatever you like. I just chose some that are sun-dried because they got a nice red color that I think goes with the shrimp. But you can use any one you want. And what you want to do is take half of your mixed shrimp and cheese and put it on one of the tortillas. There we go. And then you just want to spread it around to within about 1/4 inch of the edge, 1/2 inch of the edge. It's not that critical. Get a nice even layer. And that looks pretty good. Make sure you don't have any thin spots. And we're kind of set. So now that you've got it rolled around, just bear with me. Okay, now that you got it rolled, now that you've got it spread around, just take a green onion and lay it across the top. Now you just want to roll it around the green onion jelly roll style into a nice shape. And once you've got that done, you want to take some plastic wrap and you want to wrap this in the plastic wrap because it's going to be in the fridge for at least 2 hours up to a day. And you don't want it drying out. So we'll just roll it, twist the ends like you would for a candy, and I'm going to put that in the fridge for at least 2 hours up to a day. And then I'll show you how to finish off your cream cheese shrimp rolls. So we put our cream cheese shrimp roll in the fridge for a couple hours to set up, and we're just going to unwrap it now. And there it is. Now you just want to cut these floppy ends off the edge. And it's a good chance to give it a try if you want. But we'll just get the other one. And let's give it a taste. Shrimp tastes luscious just on its own. When you put some cream cheese with it, it just seems to blend with it so well. It makes it taste really rich. And then the touch of green onion and the horseradish coming through from the seafood sauce is just a touch of horseradish. This is really delicious. But let's see how they look when we slice them up. Now you want to cut this into about 8 sections. So we'll just carefully slice through them. And you'll see they look very nice. People will never believe how easy they are. And there we have 8 cream cheese shrimp rolls. Elegant, delicious, and the best part is you can make it.
I have a good woman, I ain't good looking, but I do some cooking, I'm the old fat guy. So use that oven if you want some lovin', be like the old fat guy. like the old fat guy.